Science is transforming wildlife conservation. DNA technology is helping researchers better understand wildlife, combat wildlife crime, and protect biodiversity for future generations. Aaranyak Wildlife Genetics Laboratory, a pioneer in conservation genetic research in Northeast India and the region's only government-recognized facility for forensic DNA investigations of wildlife crimes, recently organized an 8-day hands-on training program on the application of DNA technology in wildlife genetics and forensics. The program was inaugurated at Aaranyak Research Office, where senior officials and scientists encouraged participants to actively engage in learning and apply scientific tools to future conservation efforts. Combining classroom learning with practical experience, the program featured expert-led sessions by scientists, laboratory professionals, and invited resource persons. Dr. Pranjan Burman introduced DNA markers and their applications. Dr. 𝗪𝗯𝗓 conducted sessions on polymerase chain reaction, its principles, types, and primer designing, while Dr. 𝗪𝗶𝗶𝗃 introduced participants to biological databases in bioinformatics. A major highlight of the program was the intensive hands-on laboratory training led by 𝗪𝗯𝗓𝗏 and Dr. Pranjal Kumar Das, providing participants with practical exposure to advanced wildlife genetics and forensic DNA techniques.
So that we can create the future generation of workers in this field, as well as can create a bridge between the research as well as the law implementing agencies for better utilization of DNA technology in forensic applications.
Participants gained real-time experience in handling laboratory instruments and understanding scientific workflows used in conservation genetic research and wildlife forensic investigations.
So after coming here, like from the basic to actually extracting the DNA and analysis, it was a very great experience for me, and I have learned quite a very lot from this.
The program concluded with participants presenting their 8 days of learning through group audiovisual presentations, reflecting both their scientific understanding and practical experience.
When we say intensive training, this is intensive training. I will be honestly saying, we are tired, we are exhausted, but the agenda is fulfilled that we got to learn several things through these days.
The way I expected, they reached more than my expectations.
What I learned most from this workshop was how to practice discipline and how to practice repeatedly doing something again and again until we become really good at it.
Through initiatives like this, Aaranyak Wildlife Genetics Laboratory continues to strengthen scientific capacity, develop technical expertise, and advance the application of DNA technology in conservation research and wildlife forensic investigations across Northeast India.